Ready, set, go. Now we're doing the tractor race. Tractor race. Go Ida, go Levi. Yeah, Ida's gonna go downhill. Well, that was smart though, Ida, to go downhill. You don't have to pedal as hard. And there's Edith. Go downhill, you don't have to pedal as hard. That looks like your size. It might be easier to pedal. Turn it around and go downhill, honey. Use the gravity. If you go downhill, it's easier to pedal. Let's have a downhill race instead of an uphill race. This one's just right. This one's too big, this one's too small. This one's just right. It's just right for you, uh-huh. Go, little E, go. It's just like pedaling your big wheel. Good job, Edith. Yeah, she's going, man. Oh, good job steering, girls. You avoided that crash. Lots of fun here at the Noble Corn Farm. Pumpkin Farm, Corn Farm. Whatever, it's fun. It's such a beautiful day. I won't have too many more of these beautiful days left. The snow will be flying. Levi's giggling. Levi's cracking up. I like that they have a little stop sign. And the flags. Yeah, you gotta pull it up the hill and turn it around. What a fun day, guys. What a fun day. Got lots of exercise too, man. Well, I need to tell myself to sit down. I'll just go and go and go. And then when I get home, my knees are hurting, my back's hurting, because I don't sit down. I have to say, Charlotte, sit down, rest. And then I sit down, I get up in 5 minutes. My daughter's the same way. Anyhow, we're having fun. They're gonna have up there in that pavilion, it's reserved for a birthday party at 4 o'clock. I thought that was nice. Be a nice place to bring the kids for a birthday party. One of the food vendors was telling us last year she made $5,000 here a day, but that's, you know, Cornholio prevented that this year. But so Jessica and her friend, Elise, Levi's mom, they're gonna get an application in, see if they can't vend here next year. There's Elise and Levi. And see if they can do any good. I bet they will. I'll have to drive up. We'll make this an annual thing, maybe. Like I said, I'm only moving 2 hours away, so I'll still see them. So, yeah, I'll drive up here and help her if she needs help, or just play with the kids. Good job, Edith. Look at you pedaling up that hill. Good job. You're gonna have strong legs. Need some help? Ugh. Whoa! Look at Ida driving that tractor. Missy Jen, Ida's on a tractor. All right, guys. Talk to you later. Love you. Bye.